friends. It's really good to see everybody on Google Meet today. So that was fun. I want to do it again on Wednesday. And this time we'll do caps for sale because everybody knows that story. So let's get back to our science thing. So I'm going to put my science stuff on. Here we go. Got my gear on. Here we go. Helmet. Fun glasses. We're ready. Okay. So I'm going to start this new experiment, and then I'll give you the answer to the last one that we did yesterday. So right now I'm going to turn you. I have a glass of water here, just a plain old glass, and I'm going to put in regular vegetable oil, and I'm going to pour it in there. And I have to let that sit for a minute. So turn it back. So about that scared pepper. Well, the soap breaks up the surface tension of the pepper. What do I mean? I mean, you know how when you sneeze or you cough in your hands and you're supposed to use your elbow and they say, go wash your hands? It's because there's stuff on it. And I have to use water to get it wet and then some soap because the soap breaks up all the bonds that are on your hands of the ickiness. So it washes the germs away. So with the water was there and then the pepper was on top. So it was just sitting on the surface of the water. As soon as you put the soap in, it broke the surface tension. The surface was just tense, just sitting there like, all right, we're just hanging with some pepper here, having some pepper time. And then the soap came along and they went, no, because it broke up their little pepper party, so to speak, which is the same thing you do when you wash your hands. You try and take all the yucky germs off, and the soap helps take it off. Remember, we had to try to get our stamps off our hand? Well, that's what the soap is doing here. It's called surface tension. And if you look it up on the internet, I bet there's some other experiments for you to do there. So let's go back to this. Let's turn my screen. So now, can you see that better? I have some oil and some water. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make some fireworks. So I'm going to take regular food coloring and I'm going to drip it in here. You see how they just kind of sit there? They're just hanging out. I'm going to put some other food color. I'm going to put some yellow in on this side. It looks red when it goes in. Now, they're nice and tight in here. You see how they're like little balls? I wonder if I... What? Did you just see that explode? Are any more going to explode? Let's see. Come on, little fellas. Oh, what? What? Yikes. It's like fireworks in a glass. Oh, that was pretty cool. Wow. Whoa. Do I have any more hanging around up there? I don't know. Let's look inside. I have one yellow one still sitting there, but he's up at the top. So I don't think he's going to go. He's not big enough. All right. So here's your job. How come there were balls while they were in the oil and then they get to the water and they explode like fireworks? It's a very interesting thought. So at the top, there was oil, water at the bottom, and the food coloring made little balls in the oil, and then it went poof, as it floated down to the water. Your job is to figure out why. And then you can look up surface tension because there's probably some really cool experiments. Should you do this without your parents? No! Could you do it at home? Yes, that's the idea, especially on a rainy day or a nice day, whatever. Have some fun with it and let me know what you think. Bye.